Trello. I used Trello. It has 4 key components: a board, lists, cards, and a menu, which is the navigating tool. Here you can see the board. This is one of the boards, which I called Exploring. You can make as many boards as you want right now. Inside the boards, you can have lists, which are easy to maneuver and go back and forth. The lists have cards for different stages. When you click on the cards, you can edit the label. This part right here is for colorblind. You can add a calendar, you can add documents, videos, you can show due dates. Cards are the ideas or the tasks that go under the lists. So if you're doing something, this is the to-do list, and these are the tasks, and as you finish, you can delete them. The menu is the navigating tool, and you can see from here that it gears towards many organizations. The strength is that it helps students learn organizational skills, and it's best to use them for activities such as theater, or if there's big projects to do, and you can collaborate with your students to make sure that they're writing their lists right. Our group will not be using this.